Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Qadri Voice. Don't forget to tell yourself positive things daily. You must love yourself internally to glow externally. Two sure ways to fail: think and never do, or do and never think. You should feel slightly incompetent at what you are trying to do. The minute you start to feel like an expert, what you really are is a hack. Sometimes you win and sometimes you learn. Always do your best. Your best is going to change from moment to moment. It will be different when you are healthy as opposed to sick. Under any circumstances, simply do your best, and you will avoid self-judgment, self-abuse, or regret. The only impossible journey is the one you never begin. There can be no great accomplishment without risk. Any fool can criticize, complain, and condemn, and most fools do, but it takes character and self-control to be understanding and forgiving. Thanks for watching.